So let's find out 5 unique launcher that you must try in 2021. First, Minimal Agenda Launcher. If your workflow starts with a schedule or calendar, Minimal Agenda Launcher is worth a look. Minimal is almost an understatement. 2. There is almost nothing to it. Just a schedule view calendar card that can be expanded and a vertically scrolling app drawer. Oh, and an optional search bar. Second, Zenit Launcher. If you have ever used an iPhone, Zenit Launcher will feel quite familiar. It's essentially an iOS home screen clone, complete with widgets in a vertically scrolling format on the leftmost screen. The twist: your home screen icons don't just have to be divided into horizontal pages, they can be vertically scrolling like a standard Android app drawer, or you can even switch to a colorful card view layout. Third, Letters Launcher. The goal of Letters Launcher is to get you into your apps in no more than 2 taps. So you'll start with a grid of letters, tap the first letter of the app you want to open, then select it from the pop-up menu that appears. There are minimal customization options, such as a favorites page where you can place quick access apps and a layout manager for the letters. Fourth, Revolution Launcher. Revolution Launcher's main menu consists of a fingerprint icon with arrows emanating from it, along with a quick link to your phone app and a search function. Tap the fingerprint and the arrows will now show your 5 hot seat apps. Once you adjust the layout of these apps and memorize their positions, you can swipe from the fingerprint icon outward to quickly launch the app. Or, if you'd rather go the boring route, you can swipe up on the home screen to open an app drawer. Last one is Launcher. Like its name, this is a no-frills, minimalist launcher. Everything is done through gestures, so your home screen only needs to show the time and date. You can still swipe up to open an app drawer, but then you can also swipe down, left, or right to open specific apps. There are also double tap and long press shortcuts, and you can even assign apps to be launched when you press your volume buttons. So that's it for this video. If you know any other such awesome launcher, let us know in the comment section. We'll see you in the next one.